People know price of everything but value of nothing. Price of everything means that everything can be bought with money. Everything could be, thank you. I will just say a few words and then I will start eating, and then I will continue with what my experience was about this topic after this complete eating. So the topic is, people know price of everything but value of nothing. What could be the value of this experience which I am getting? Right now it has a certain price, this food has a certain price, but the value is immense, especially when you are hungry and if you get a food and the food that you wanted to eat at that moment, then the value of this food is invaluable. So let me enjoy my meal and I will give you this teaching in detail after having this meal. All right, so let's celebrate. Thank you. The value of the food that I had just now is invaluable because I got the highest pleasure of eating, the taste of the food in this moment. In this moment, my body, my senses extracted the highest value from the food because of one technique that I use while taking any experience of life, and that is the art of conscious living. With the art of conscious living, you can extract the highest value for all the prices that you pay for different experiences of life. I ate consciously, and that is why I could feel each and every moment of the taste blending into with my saliva, and I could feel the spices, the salty taste, the sweetness, the bitter taste, the since I had the food with my hands, I could feel the heat of the food, I could feel the coldness of the food. So every thing that the food had to offer, apart from the matter that it is, apart from the nutritional value it is, but the experience of taking the pleasure from it was possible due to conscious eating. You are in a world where the price of everything is tagged. You invest in properties, you invest in homes, you invest in cars, you invest in different kinds of investments you have. You invest in the matrix itself, you invest in relationship by getting married, giving birth to children, taking care of everyone, as if you are meant to live life for them. I am talking to the individuals who actually want to be happy and healthy. If you want to be happy and healthy, you have to extract the value of everything by living consciously. You have to stop living unconsciously. You have to stop living the way it is programmed for you. My only question to you is, when you are taking any experience in life, are you present to that experience? Are you fully present with all your senses to take that experience? Right now, I can give you a demonstration of just drinking water. For example, you are thirsty and you have paid the price of sitting here in a cafe and drinking a glass of water. Now, when you are drinking this glass of water, first of all, I have seen 99% of the population on earth today doing everything unconsciously. If you are you are among 0.1%, then if you are drinking water, then make sure you are present there to take that sip of water. Come, come, come. Hello, hello, hello. A dog came, and instead of drinking the water, I am showing you, hello, how I am responding to life in this moment. Coochie, 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 coochie. This is what my teaching is. So, are you present to life? This life wants to Respond to me. Okay, come here. Come, come, come. 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 Yes. Come. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Look at the cuteness. It has come for love. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Huh? Happy? Happy? Want to play? Want to play with me? Want to play? All right. Come here. Come here. Come, come, come. So, while I'm loving this dog, what is the value of this moment? And what is the price I have paid? I have paid no price to have this experience, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? You want to play? She wants to be with me more. You want? You want to? So, if you want to extract the value of anything, you have to be fully present with life. Be conscious every moment, be aware every moment, be with yourself so that you can be present to the love radiating. I'm loving this dog because the universe has sent this dog at this moment, and this is what my presence is. I'll just try to come, come, come. Here. Okay, it has gone now, so I can talk to you from here. You pay the price of everything from the perspective of the mind, from the perspective of the ego, from the perspective of because you can afford it. But can you afford the quality of experience, the quality of the value from that experience and evolve in yourself from that experience? As you could see, my energy got high because I loved the dog. I shared my love to the dog, and my oxytocin, serotonin, dopamine, endorphin all got released. All the good hormones got released because I participated in life. I extracted the highest value from it. These are all symbolic expression from me so that you start observing and start participating in life from the perspective of consciousness and not from the perspective of just becoming a robot and acting unconsciously. So I will complete the demonstration for you about the water, which is when you are drinking a glass of water, make sure you are fully present to the experience of drinking the water. Just a sip of it. Take the taste of the water by moving the water in the mouth. Conscious eating and conscious drinking means you are consciously chewing in your food to the extent it becomes a paste, and you drink your water in such a way that you chew your water. So the formula is drink your food and chew your water. Chew your water means you are mixing saliva with the water. When you mix saliva with the water, your body, your enzymes get mixed with the water, and that acts as an energy booster. You get energized quickly, and also if the water has nutritions, those nutritions are extracted by the body through conscious drinking water. So this was just one aspect of this, extracting the value, highest value from the experiences that you invest in. So you don't need to pay only the price of it. Make sure that you are present to the experience to extract the highest value from it. And this is what my teaching is. Through this teaching, I want to make sure that you live the life of the highest individual who has his brain in use. and not the mind which is running the show, and you are the puppet of the world, the matrix, and the society. That's all. Bye bye.